your poop kiss. I'm gonna eat people I like.
Hello, Harry.
No Tom, no fuckery today, Ron. I'm sick of your dreadful speckled ticks. My life sucks, my girlfriend sucks, my personal bubble sucks. I can't suck a girlfriend, and I'm surrounded by fucking goblins and shit all the time. I mean, what the fucking goblins and shit and villains and shit all the time? I mean, what the Will I still have nightmares about Dobby eating my girlfriend? Will I still have sex every night? Eating my dreadful speckled skin clean off. The buds are magic.
What's Harry doing?
Magic.
Are you still full of that wizard angst, Harry?
Give me Harry.